Hey guys, welcome back to my favorite hangout spot. Today, we're going to be doing some preventative maintenance, some touch-up paint. I noticed that my control arms have started to corrode because of all the salt in Hawaii and all the salt on the roads during the wintertime here. I'm going to use steel wool, tape them off. I'm going to prime them with Rust-Oleum white. Finish them off with gloss red. I feel like gloss red will look really good under here. So let's get started. Ended up doing all this too. You can see all the rust here. I'm gonna repaint this track bar. Salty environments just eat away at everything. Primed and ready to go for some gloss red. Alright, this is going to be a two-part video. I'm exhausted. I got paint all over me. I got paint in my hair. I got paint on the camera. So, yeah. See you tomorrow. Subreddits, I can't be too mad. Got some pretty harsh criticism on my newest video. I'm not trying to do this as a job. I'm headed to work right now. I'm just going to put out non-original content. Like that guy probably watches reaction videos. I do these videos because they make me happy. And watching something I created makes me happy. Just don't get your advice off Reddit.
Oh my God, I can't believe it.
He was talking about I need to find a niche in my vlogs. Stick to one topic, I guess. But I do a lot of damn things. A lot of things interest me. I'm gonna make videos about them. That messes with the algorithms and makes it where my videos don't get put out as often as they should or to the right people. I don't care. Subscribe if you want to, and don't if you don't. I'll catch you on the next video. Come back now.